Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video I will show you how to schedule posts on Facebook. So without wasting time, let's get started. First of all, open the Facebook application on your mobile phone. Then you will see on the top what's on your mind. Simply tap on it. Here write what you want to. You can also add a photo or video. But I'm writing hi for now. Once you are done with this, simply tap on next on the top right corner. On the next page, you will see the scheduling options. Simply tap on it. Then on the next page, you will see the option schedule for later. Select it. Then this calendar will open to schedule the post. You can select any date according to your requirement. I am selecting the day after tomorrow. Then simply tap on OK. After that, select the time. I am selecting 1 p.m. Then tap on OK. Here you can see the date and time for the scheduled post, and at that time your post will be published. Now go back and simply tap on post. Here you can see the notification that your post is scheduled. And this is how you can schedule posts on Facebook.